Hey everyone, welcome back to Code with Bella, where we explore the latest and greatest in web development tools and technologies. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Vite.js, a cutting-edge build tool that's changing the game when it comes to modern web development. Whether you're a fan of Vue.js, React, or even just vanilla JavaScript, Vite has got you covered. It's framework-agnostic, meaning you can use it with your favorite front-end framework or even without one. This flexibility is a huge plus for developers who like to choose the tools that best fit their project needs. Let's see how to create React app using Vite. First, I open the folding and open the command prompt using the cmd command. Then I type the command npm create Vite latest my React app. The app name is my React app. I select React T, then React JavaScript, then hit enter. Great. Our template is created. Then cd my React app. Type code, dot for open Visual Studio Code. Good. This is our React template using Vite. Open the terminal. First of all, we want to install node modules. Type npm install and hit enter. Now run the our app, open the terminal, type command npm run dev, then click this. Good, our app is running. Vite leverages the power of native ES modules in the browser during development, which translates to quicker startup times and a more responsive development environment. One of its standout features is hot module replacement, HMR, allowing you to see changes in real time without the need for a full-page refresh. Vite excels in delivering lightning-fast build times. Thanks to its innovative approach, building your project is a breeze, making the development process smoother and more enjoyable. Say goodbye to those coffee breaks during lengthy builds.